As we head into late autumn, the garden is starting to take a well-earned breather. And honestly, your soil needs one too. It's been a long season. Between the summer heat, the heavy watering, and all of that energy spent pushing out flowers, your soil has been through a lot. By now, it's likely feeling a bit tired, compacted, and running low on nutrients. But here's the good news. Now is the absolute best time to hit the reset button. Start with organic matter, things like compost, aged manure, and a liquid probiotic. These are packed with beneficial fungi and microorganisms to boost your depleted soil. This feeds the soil microbes, improves structure, and helps the soil hold moisture more evenly. Once that's done, give the soil a really good deep water so everything starts working together. Finish it off with a nice thick layer of mulch. Think of it as a winter blanket. It protects the surface, keeps the soil temperature stable, and creates the perfect environment for healthy roots to settle in. Give the mulch a light water in to keep it in place, then wait a few weeks and your soil will be good to go. Healthy soil means stronger plants, better flowering, and less problems when spring finally rolls around. Look after your soil now, and your garden will thank you for it all year long. Happy gardening.